Let me show you a little trick how to check if your blower motor on the furnace is bad. Things you need to know. This is a terminal, provides power to the furnace. Board, little things all over the place here. These terminals, these wires, they're from the thermostat. They provide power to the board, sending signals what should turn on and when. R, red, is 24 volts. G, green, is your fan, normally. We are going to bypass it, turn on this terminal here, and if the motor isn't bad, it'll turn on and start working. Let's turn it on. You heard that sound. It cannot turn on. Also, if I touch the motor here, it's really hot. That is a that's a bad blower motor. Comment if you have any other questions.